Good morning, students. Today I teaching World War II. World War II will be started 1939 to 1945. Then before First World War 1914 to 1918. 1918. Then in 1918 after end then League of Nations. League of Nations founded 1918. Next did not come World War. That only started League of Nations. Then 1938 up to then cancel the League of Nations. Then reason Great Britain, France, Russia and United States one part, Germany, Italy and Japan also another part. Causes, course and effect of World War II. Causes, devastation caused by a World War First, such a magnitude it referred was a great war. The war and all wars. The Belgian nation, especially the Allies, decided the proclaimed conflict, and this was main driving force behind their action after the end World War First. Then immediately the primary causes World War II aggressive, then World War undertaken in resurgent Germany and fast developing Japan. Then Germany and Treaty of Versailles 1919. The Treaty of Versailles ending World War First was signed in June 1919. Among the many classes treaty, then three particular in Germany was forced to give up territories to the west northeast of German and border. Germany had to disarm and was allowed retain only very restricted armed forces. Third, as a refutation of the war, Germany and affected pay the military and civilian cost of war and allied nations. Next, failure of League of Nations. Failure of League of Nations, the founder League of Nations will be founded American President Woodrow Wilson. Then the America did not join in the League of Nations. So many country will be joined. Then founded American country. America did not join the League of Nations. Next, post-war Greece and Germany. As here mentioned, have a main classes of Treaty of Versailles, especially emotion, a penal refutation and causes a discontent Germany problem which of the countries. Germany experienced the high unemployment and served inflation after the war. The next, rise of Adolf Hitler. The Adolf Hitler was able to exploit the general discontent among the Germans, kept a great article skills, able to weigh people and emotion speeches promising return the glorious military first Germany. He founded National Socialist Party, generally known as Nazis. Then main important Germany, Adolf Hitler, the founded Nazis party. Then Hitler, in direct consideration of the clause the Treaty of Versailles, Hitler began the left of League of Nations. Then Hitler and joined Germany, Italy and Japan. Allies non-intervention. There were also aggression by Italy and Japan. Italy invaded Ethiopia in 1935 and Albania in 1939. In spite of three manifestations of military activities of Germany, Italy and Japan. Then you see the map. Then two part of world is Axis power countries and allied power countries. The orange color, Axis power countries. Axis power countries, Italy, Germany, Bulgaria, Romania, Hungary and Japan. Japan is in the Asian part. Allied power countries, that green color, Britain, France, Russia, and United States of Brazil, so many countries. Then main important Great Britain, America, and Soviet Russia, France. Munich Pact. The further fact was the Western powers and Soviet Union disturbed each other in 1938. Prime Minister Chamberlain in concert Munich Pact with Germany. Then one country is to another country. The fact. You see the pictures. The Munich Pact. That Hitler have the assurance in the Munich Pact that Germany would not attack any other country was broken immediately. In 1939 inward, Czechoslovakia, Poland was attacked next and was final, which year result declaration of by Britain. Next, nature of war. The World War II fought two distinct issues from Europe and Asia Pacific. Europe and fought in allies Germany and Italy. Out of break war will be started 1939 September, June 1940. Italy joined Germany and September 1940 Japan also joined in Axis power. Three also joined in another countries will be attacked. The important events also. Battle of Britain 1940, then very important timeline. Battle of Britain in July 1940 it was famed German was planning invade Britain. The Cambrian failed because with the aid of newly developed and top secret device, radar and detecting and aircraft also. You see the pictures. Next, Lend-Lease in 1941 to 1945. President Roosevelt in released at the United States in change the policy isolation. Then United Nations of that country's policy also changed. That only told Roosevelt. Invasion Russia 1941 to 1942. In June 1940, Germany army invaded Russia. The long-term objective this move were size of for settling Germans destroyed. The Germany will become Russia. Russia is the Moscow. All the place people are escape another part. Then empty only came. Germany come and see no people in Russia. Then failure Germany. Next, Battle of Stalingrad 17 July 1942 to February 1943. In August 1942, Germans attacked Stalingrad, stretching about 30 miles along banks of Volga River. The next, Battle of El Alamein 1942. Next, in 1943, the surrender of Italy. Important. Mussolini had been thrown and the new government of Italy surrendered of the Allies 1943. However, Germans set Mussolini up in puppet rigging and North Mussolini was killed in April 1945 in Italian partition. Then end of Hitler. The Hitler Allies force of under command of General Eisler and invade Normandy slowly. Then from 1944, the Russia army began to attack Germany from the east and capture and much Eastern Europe, Poland. In 1945, they occupied parts of Berlin. So Germany was divided two sects after the war. West Germany and East Germany. Next, war on the Asia Pacific region. Then Asian corridor. Japan is developed. Then developing country. Then attack another part of 1941 Pearl Harbor. American harbor. Very important that 1941 December Japan will attacked American naval installation Pearl Harbor, Hawaii without warning. Then so many people are American also death. Next, that American President Woodrow Wilson then very angry. Next, America war attack Japan. Then now only America entered the Second World War 1941. Then America also all the countries also attacked. Japanese aggression in the Southeast in Asia, Battle of Midway of Battle of Cold 1942. Then 1945 important world very too recent. Then America attacked in Japan, two places Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Japan ultimately announced surrender on 1595 war and September beginning in the war. America put in the atom bomb. Then effect of the war, nuclearization, promulgation and international genius and many international agencies, in particular United Nations of the World Bank, International Monetary Fund, those were also afterward. The Holocaust its followed. Then Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The next will be started 1945 World War end. All the countries and Hitler also surrendered. Hitler also death, Mussolini. Then Japanese put the American atom bomb, Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Then immediately surrendered Japan. The next will be did not come World War. Then only started United Nations Organization. Even then a major outcome, then Universal Declaration, then human rights, then fundamental, then so many also you find. The new international order, United States, Britain began conciliation, United Nations, that symbol also given. Then so many part of bills come, General Assembly and Security Council. The United Nations function almost like any government thought in principal organs which have a similar legislative, executive, judicial wings and assembly body, the headquarters. The 15 members, 5 countries in the certain Britain, France, Russia and China. The permanent members also these countries. Then another non-permanent members. Administrative structure. The executive wing a United Nations, United Secretaries and Secretary General. The other important organs of the UN, Association Organization, FAO, UNESCO, WHO. Then very important now World Health Organization that only counted. Then all the countries inform activities of UN, United Nations activities. Next World Bank, then only started. Then whole all the countries given the fund, that only given World Bank. That's all. And next there are also International Monetary Fund, IMF, the post war for the states of Europe, they are also having. Next after this chapter also, after I put the video also there, World War second will be which will be come, that only I put the video. Dear students, this chapter will be over. Then video also I given that after will be come, and you see the